All right. Today's SPY was down 0.05%, and it was another volatile day intraday, but a flat close, and we are still closing above all the moving averages with the price action and still in a bull trend. So it still looks like while SPY is above 580, we are trying to get to the next price target at 587. If we break above 587, we'll be looking for 593, and I think it's a lot easier if you just ride this wave and stay bullish as long as we're above 580. If we start breaking down below 580, then you could get risk off, but above 580, it does favor that we will continue to drift higher within this bull trend. So stay bull above 580. That's why I tell you it's a bull trend until it's not. It is a lot easier to stay in the direction of the trend, which is still bullish, and that favors the probabilities and odds that price will continue to drift higher. If we break below 580, then we'll likely come back down to retest this breakout right around 573. So it'll be very easy price action, bullish above 580, then you can get risk off below it for a $7 drop. And then if we get the drop, we can assess whether or not support holds at the time. But while we're above 580, it looks like we will be going higher towards 587. On the NASDAQ 100 triple Qs, we were up 0.11% today, and very similar to SPY, we are still closing above all of the moving averages within a bull trend. This bull trend has all of the moving averages positively sloping, and price cannot break down below support, which is right here, right around 492, or down here, right around 490. So bull trend until it's not above support. If we break below support, we'll likely come back down to the next support, which is going to be right around 483. So stay bull above 490 to 492. If we break below it, you can get risk off for a trip back down towards 483. While we are above 490, it looks like we are trying to push higher towards the previous all-time high at 503, and if we break above it to a brand new all-time high, we'll be looking for 510. Next up, we're going to look at Bitcoin, which is getting that rejection from the resistance at 69,000. But as I told you last night, as long as we hold above the previous breakout at 65,000, it is likely going to be a higher low before we start to rocket higher towards the 70,000s, which is going to be between 71,000 and 75,000. Also remember, if we break 65,000, I would still stay bullish above 63,000 because we're getting the bull trend yet again back above the daily 200 daily moving average. And this time is different because all of the moving averages have crossed back over the 200, which is now confirming we are indeed in a bull trend, which means Bitcoin is entering one of its most bullish risk on conditions, where price is above the 200 daily moving average within a bull trend. And this is where you're going to get those very impulsive moves higher. So don't sleep on Bitcoin. There's plenty of ETFs to trade this on the stock market. You do not even need a crypto exchange. And it does look like we are going to get risk on behavior here in Bitcoin. So jumping back over to the S&P 500, this is a great time to be loading up on swing trades for Q4, and we are absolutely crushing this market in the Discord server with a lot of our swing trades already starting to impulsively rally off of the support levels and the low risk entries. If you want access to all of my trade ideas, that is in my Discord server, and you'll also get access to my intraday updates as well as my technical analysis. And it is going to be a very strong finish to the end of the year, and I have lots of great trade ideas on how we can capitalize on the Q4 rally. So if you want to get access to all of those trade ideas, you can find out how to join my Discord server by clicking on the link in the description of this video. So thank you for watching, everybody. I hope you're crushing this market, and as always, I will see you in the next episode.